nakalagay eh. Maliwanag eh. Any person who uses under any guise whatsoever, directly or indirectly, public funds shall be guilty of an election offense. Yan ang problema ng ating bansa. Dahil binabaluktot natin ang batas para sa ating kapakanan. May I just say to those two girls there, will you please stop smiling and looking at your cell phones? If you're not listening to my speech, please step out. Now! Nakaka-insulto yung ginagawa ninyo sa Senado ng Pilipinas. Seryoso ako dito ah. You are obviously talking something else. Please step out if you are not interested in the proceedings of the Senate. Ads paid by friends constitute indirect bribery. The infomercials